Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to share with you how to enable watermark in your Infinix Smart 5. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Infinix Smart 5 and you are wondering how to enable model watermark in your picture. In order to do that, for example, if I open my phone camera and then if I'm going to take a picture and if I see the preview, that picture that is not appear the watermark. You might be want to enable model watermark. In order to do that, let me show it again. You to open your camera apps and then click this upper icon. After click over there, we're going to see something say auto watermark. Just simply click over on it. Now let me go back and let me try to take a picture now. And now if I see that picture, I will see there is appear Infinix AI camera. So you can see I have successfully turned on model watermark. If you decide to turn off, you can again go there and you can easily turn this off. So this is how you can easily enable or disable model watermark in your Infinix Smart 5. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.